Hey guys, welcome to Delisa's Life. It's tax season. A lot's going on right now with people waiting for tax returns, getting taxes. I don't know if they've even released them yet. I've heard some people are taking advances through the many places, quick little loans. Not a good idea because all those loans actually cost you money every time you do it, whether it's $50, $40, etc. Now, I was listening to Dave Ramsey a few nights ago, and he was talking about breaking even, trying to break even when you get your taxes. Because basically what happens is you're sort of paying into taxes when they remove taxes out of your paycheck. And at the end of it all, at the end of the year, you put in all your figures and he wants you to break even. He wants you to basically, at the end of the year, when you do your taxes, maybe get back $5 or $50. He doesn't want you to owe, and he doesn't want you to get back a big tax return. I'm sort of against that because you can actually use your tax return as a benefit to you. It's a great way to actually save money. So I actually deduct more money bi-weekly out of my paycheck so that I do end up with a decent tax return. And my wife has her own business, so her taxes aren't taken out. So I actually need to put in more to balance her business out because we file jointly. Luckily, we have a home. Luckily, we have a child. We have some things we can also claim for. And again, it's difficult by yourself to just save, whether it's $3,000. I know some people get like $4,000, $5,000, whatever. It's difficult to just bi-weekly put that money to the side and at the end of the year have that money sitting in a bank, whereas you can just have them slowly take it out your paycheck. You don't miss it because you never had it, and you get it all back. It seems like though every year they're putting bigger holes or time restraints on you getting back the tax returns, because I think there's still a lot of fraud out there that they're trying to clean up and find out. What do you think?
I'm listening.
You're listening?
Mm-hmm.
My wife's listening.
My taxes are different because I have the business, so I pay taxes at the end of the year when we file an income tax. So he's right, it does.
So for us, I actually have to have them take more. So we pretty much balance out. And we still end up getting a little something back. And again, it works out for us.
But before we started, before we had our son and owned the house, you always owed because they felt that we made too much.
Right.
Right.
When she worked at a regular 9-to-5 job, and I used to be on commission, we made a lot of money and really didn't have a lot to claim as far as no child.
No, at that time.
And at the time, at the beginning, we didn't have a house. So
they would take.
I would always end up owning a little
but
bit more.
My income.
But hers would balance me out.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's reversed, and I actually, when I moved up here, had them deduct more out of my paycheck because I didn't want to end up owing. Now again, Dave Ramsey says you want to end up pretty much flat. As I said, just getting back $50, because he says you're basically lending the IRS money for some time, or the government money for some time, at no interest. So he feels like you can do better with your money. I agree with that portion of the statement, but it's difficult to just save a regular family just to save $3-4 grand by themselves. Putting away $100 here, $100 here. Now he would say that's crazy. It should be simple. But life happens. So for me, having them take it in
and manage the money based on what the paycheck says at that time.
You never miss the money because you never had it. So I'll take mine at the end every time.
Yeah, I need it right now. I do.
You don't get no money back. What do you mean you need it right now? That's my taxes. You see what I'm talking about? She pays no taxes
until the end of the year.
Until the end of the year, and it's taken away from the money I have been putting away.
Did I not help you?
How do you help me with these taxes? When did we start helping each other? See, now it's us. You know what I mean? Now it's we. Nice talking to you guys. Thanks for watching Delisa's Life.
Have a great day.